Electric eels are fascinating creatures that can generate powerful electric shocks, reaching up to 600 volts. These unique fish, found in the rivers of South America, aren't actually eels but are more closely related to catfish. They have specialized cells called electrocytes that act like tiny batteries, allowing them to produce electricity for hunting and self-defense. What's really interesting is how they use their electric abilities. They can emit low-voltage pulses to navigate and communicate, while high-voltage bursts can incapacitate prey or deter predators. Despite their fearsome reputation, electric eels are not aggressive unless threatened. They can grow up to 8 feet long, and their striking appearance, with a long, slender body and a dark coloration, makes them truly captivating. So, next time you think of electric eels, remember they're not just shocking, they're a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity.